Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Whether it's for daily wear or for only certain festive occasions, a highlighter is a must-have in your makeup bag. It instantly brightens up your skin and gives it a youthful, radiant glow. I love a good highlighter, and here are my top 5 picks. First up is this highlighter from Maybelline. Now this one's my favorite. Although it's a powder, it has a very creamy consistency and it glides on smoothly. It doesn't feel too chalky or powdery on the skin at all. This one works on both oily and dry skin and does not cause any dryness. It stays on for about 6 to 7 hours even in humid weather, so that's a brownie point for me. I've also applied it over just a BB cream and it stayed in place the whole day. Next up is this highlighter from Wet n Wild, which is quite popular. The formula is very soft and buttery. Now this one is available in 7 different shades and it's really shimmery, almost metallic looking, as you can see. This product works really well with a fan brush because you can totally build up the intensity and also control the amount of product that you're going to use. The staying power is pretty good. I mean, the other day I was super exhausted from an entire day of shooting and I just generally took a selfie, and trust me, none of that tiredness showed on my face. It just made it look like my skin had a natural glow, so plus points for that. Third on my list is this strobe cream from Maybelline. It comes in 2 different shades. It has a nice golden sheen to it, as you can see, and is silky and lightweight in texture. It blends really well into the skin and doesn't feel greasy at all. Now I find this one to be a little more subtle than the others, so if you're somebody who's looking for a natural glow, then this is the perfect highlighter for you. Fourth on my list is the Nykaa Highlighter Glow Getter. This one is a highlighting and illuminating duo. This has a very smooth and buttery texture and is not too cakey or glittery. It gives a subtle glow and can easily be built up if you're looking for something more dramatic. It lasts for about 7 hours if used with a setting spray, and I've also used it as an eyeshadow and it works pretty well. The last one on my list is this highlighter from Makeup Revolution. This one, unlike most powder highlighters, has a very smooth texture and is highly pigmented. It gives you a very subtle sheen, but you need to be careful as to how much product you use. I have dry skin, so this one stays on for quite some time, but it might need some reapplication if you have oily skin. It comes in a neutral tone, so it works for almost all skin tones. It's slightly more expensive than the other products on my list, but it's definitely worth the price. So these were my top 5 picks. Just a little tip, when it comes to highlighter, a little goes a long way. Start with a little amount of product and you can build it up depending on how dramatic you want your look to be. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Before you go, make sure you check out the POPxo shop. We have some amazing stuff out there. We have notebooks, sweatshirts, laptop skins, mugs, and a lot more. So check out the link in the description box below and go crazy shopping. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty. Bye!